My name is Kung Fu, and I'm playing a music piece for the movie.
My name is Leon, and you guys are looking at my camera work.
My name is Bill, and I paint the costume.
I'm Put, and I created much of the digital media that you see on screen.
My name is Kwan. I made the ballet for Gok and Mesa.
My name is Yi, and I did the camera work.
My name is Feshi. These are my drone shots.
My name is Tad, and I was a teacher that was consultant. I told him what was good and what is boring.
We are the students who make the movie. You might not notice all of our details, but we are really proud of our story.